Let's see how to insert an image from online in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. So to insert a picture from online, simply click on the Insert tab right here and click on Pictures. That will open up a selection. So you're going to want to click Online Pictures, which will open up a new window that will show you a lot of choices for different pictures. So for example, if you want to insert a picture of a car, you can simply click on this one right here, and that will show you a picture of different cars. You can also search for a particular picture. So for example, you want to get a picture of a basketball, and go ahead and type that in the search bar, and that should open up a selection of different basketball images. Let's go ahead and insert one. Click on the Insert button. And as you can see, you now have your picture in your document without even needing to download it by yourself. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.